From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The derivative of this rational function requires that we use the quotient rule. And quotient rule says if you have a function y equals u over v, then the y, the x, that's if u and v are respectively functions of x and y, will be v du minus u dv over v square. So in this case, let's call our u ln x and our v to be x square. And so du dx is simply 1 over x, because if we differentiate ln x is 1 over x, and the v, the x, is 2x. And so if we substitute this, we'll then have the y, the x, to be v is x squared, and the u is 1 over x, minus u is natural log of x, and the v is 2x. And then everything is divided by v squared. V squared will be x squared to power 2, which is s to power 4. Now, x here can cancel one of the x, and then the x here and this x here, one of this x here cancels one x here, we have s cubed. Therefore, our dy, the x, will leave us with 1 minus 2 ln x over x cubed. These are final results. You can actually use product rule to solve this. In that case, you have to take x squared and rewrite it as x to power minus 2. And so your function y will now be x to power minus 2 natural log of x, and then you use the product rule. But whichever formula you use, you will still arrive at the same answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.